It's Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Am I tired? How are you feeling? I'm really tired of having car problems, but you guys know that we've been everywhere and back. We have a visitor. He's fixing our glove box. Robert from Tesla. In the meantime, the other one still has a flat tire. I don't know what you guys think we should do. I'm gonna pull it up and see if I'll put some air in it. For now, I just ditched it over there. Another beautiful day in the bay. How do you guys like my neighbor's car? Pretty cool, huh? Alright. Who hates car problems? Comment below. What's this one? This one. Do you think I need a new tire? Let's see what Robert says. I know I gotta do a software update. I like abandoned this thing here about a week ago. Alright, hang on. We've moved. We gotta do a software update. Should I tell you guys I switched to Sonic? Ditched Comcast, and I gotta put in the password. Be right back. I already forgot the password. So we're gonna do this later. But I'm gonna ask him, Robert from Tesla, if he can look at my tire. Well, he's replacing my glove box. Let's see how that goes. Who likes their X in their doors? Comment below. We want to know. Oh, and do you love your Tesla truck? Oh, and do you love my artwork? Comment below. I want to know. I love you guys.